Hi, my name is Leo with Exact Click Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you how to audit your digital marketer to make sure that your messaging throughout your funnel matches the customer psyche as they move through your funnel. And just very briefly, why does this matter? It's simple. Your customers have a very different psychology. Their mindset is very different depending on where they are in relation to their relationship with you and your brand. Okay, if it's cold traffic, they're thinking very different things than if they abandoned a cart a few days ago. So you need to speak to those different needs, those different questions differently throughout your funnel, and make sure that you don't have messaging tunnel vision. A lot of brands get this. They decide, hey, these are our key selling points. Let's just hammer those at every step along the way. The problem with that is that your customers' minds are in a different space. So you need to make sure that your messaging matches where they are throughout the funnel. Now, auditing this aspect of what your digital marketer is doing for you will probably take a little bit more time, and it's a little bit more nebulous than some of the other methods that I'm showing you. But I think it really matters for you as a brand to make sure you know what is being said to your customers at each step of the funnel. The truth is, you may never see some of the messaging that's out there, because even if you're on Facebook regularly, you may not get served the ads for abandoned cart. You may not get served the ads for cold traffic. In fact, you probably will almost guaranteed never see the cold traffic ads because you're not cold traffic. You go to the site all the time, right? So you want to place yourself in your customer or prospective customer's shoes. Try to think like they're thinking. Look at the ad from their lens and make sure that the messaging makes sense. Hopefully when you get into your ad account, you're going to see something similar to this. You'll have top of funnel campaigns. Usually those are marked with TOF or TOFU in the title, bottom of funnel, middle of funnel, same kind of acronym, and then ideally a re-engagement campaign that is designed to maximize the effectiveness of your email list. As you click into each campaign, you'll see different ad sets. So for example, if I wanted to see how the bottom of funnel campaign was broken down, I would click into the campaign itself, and I can see here I've got a 7-day ad set and a 30-day ad set. So that means this first one is targeting people within the first 7 days. Second one is targeting people from days 8 through 30. All right, so now you put yourself in the customer's shoes. They have either added to cart or they have viewed a product detail page sometime in the last 7 days. Where is their mind space? What are they thinking? Why are they still thinking about it? Why haven't they completed the purchase? Now let's check the messaging and see if it speaks to those questions. So you click on edit for that ad set, and on the sidebar we see we have 3 ads that are live for this ad set. I generally recommend at least 2, sometimes as many as 3 to 4 ads per ad set. This one deals with urgency. This one is a user review, and this one expresses FOMO, fear of missing out. Those are 3 really great angles to take for a 7-day bottom of funnel ad set. So let's check it now. You click into that ad, and of course I have to blur this out to maintain client confidentiality, but what you'll see on the right is a preview of what your customers will see on Facebook. You can also click on this advanced preview button, and that'll open up a separate window that shows you how the ad will appear in different placements within Facebook and Instagram. You can also scroll down on the left-hand side and read the primary text, read the headline, check the landing page URL. And again, the goal here is to place yourself in your customer's shoes. Now, hopefully your digital marketer has done this themselves, and you'll go through there and you'll think, wow, that's great ad text. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that's speaking to the needs of someone who has abandoned a cart recently. And then you go to your cold traffic, your top of funnel traffic, and you say, yeah, that makes sense. That speaks to someone who doesn't know my brand, and we're just trying to introduce them to what we do and how we could provide a solution to some of their problems based on, whatever demographic data has led us to target them. But if you don't see that, if you go into your ad account and you see pretty much the same ad, pretty much the same messaging all throughout the funnel, that's a red flag. That's something you'd want to approach your digital marketer about and say, hey, why are we not speaking to them differently throughout the funnel? Because by not doing that, you are absolutely leaving money on the table. Your ads become less effective, and you will never see the results that you could or should see. All right, so I think that covers messaging. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about how to audit your target ROAS, how to determine what your target ROAS should be. And then you can compare that to the target ROAS you're using and decide if you need to make an adjustment. All right, thanks for watching.